Hello everyone. Chlorogenic acid is a natural compound found in many common foods and drinks. It is particularly abundant in coffee, where a single cup can provide over 100 milligrams. You can easily increase your intake by consuming foods like apples, plums, pears, and artichokes. Your body uses a hormone called insulin to move glucose, or sugar, from your bloodstream into your cells for energy. When your cells are sensitive to insulin, this process works very efficiently. Improving your body's insulin sensitivity helps ensure that the carbohydrates you eat are used to fuel your muscles instead of being stored as fat. A study from the National University of Singapore, published in the journal PLOS1, explored this effect. Researchers found that chlorogenic acid significantly boosted the amount of glucose that muscle cells absorbed. To apply this finding, you can consume a source of chlorogenic acid before a meal to help direct the carbohydrates towards your muscles. The science shows chlorogenic acid activates a special enzyme in your muscles called AMPK. AMPK acts like a master energy sensor that tells your cells to take in and use fuel. Since exercise also activates AMPK, combining chlorogenic acid with physical activity creates a powerful effect for better nutrient use. This activation of AMPK then triggers a glucose transporter known as GLUT4. GLUT4 moves from inside the muscle cell to its surface where it actively pulls glucose from your blood. For a practical benefit, this means your muscles get more fuel during and after your workouts. Strength athletes can use this process to improve recovery and muscle growth. Consuming chlorogenic acid with a post-workout meal containing carbohydrates helps drive those nutrients directly into muscle tissue. A simple strategy is to have a cup of coffee with your meal after training to speed up muscle repair. This is also beneficial for endurance athletes who rely on stored muscle glucose, called glycogen. Chlorogenic acid helps muscles refill these glycogen stores more quickly after they have been depleted. Include chlorogenic acid-rich foods in your recovery meals to refuel faster for your next session. For weight management, chlorogenic acid helps with nutrient partitioning. This means it encourages your body to send nutrients toward muscle cells instead of fat cells. To support your fat loss goals, try timing your chlorogenic acid intake with your largest carbohydrate meal of the day. Chlorogenic acid works by activating the AMPK pathway within your muscle cells. This activation moves GLUT4 transporters to the cell surface to pull in more glucose from your blood. This entire process enhances insulin sensitivity, which makes your body much better at using carbohydrates for fuel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.